Hi, I'm Dr.Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore from the last 18 years. Is there a drink that can clear up your skin? The answer is yes, and it is very much part of your natural diet. The answer is it's water. Water, because it has an effect of removing all the toxins from your body and flushing out the extra salt from your body, is probably the best drink that you can order anywhere. Remember that it is very important to drink 2 to 2.5 liters of water for every one of us every day. Is there anything that can be better than water? The answer unfortunately is no. But then what are all these detox drinks all about? Whenever we have been on a binge eating spree, whether it is eating a lot of fried food which may have a lot of salt in it, whether we have been drinking more alcohol, to detox the body, there is so many detox drinks, whether it is a cucumber juice or a celery juice or a mint juice or whatever the drinks are available. These are basically increasing the palatability of water. People may not like to drink water on a regular basis, so you put a little bit of cucumber or mint in it so that it becomes easier for you to drink that 3 liters of water every day. The other important thing to note is that it is probably better to eat the cucumber, it is probably better to eat the fruits which are there in the detox drink, because they actually add to the fiber content, and the antioxidant content is much better when they are eaten in the fiber form, in the full form, than to make it a part of a juice or a drink. Whenever you juice something, we feel that it loses its fiber content, it loses ability to cause the improvement if you ate it with the roughage, if you ate it with the full content of the fruit. So, detox drink, water. My choice is always water.